color trend for this fall is all about dimensional colors. So we are coloring our hair in different shades, different levels of light, so bright pieces and dark pieces in warm shades together. My style statement is the Bohemian look. I like the flowy way the Bohemian style is, and I like that there is no rules, so I can be very creative with the style. My favorite hairstyle at the moment is the lob haircut. So it's a long bob with a little bit of shorter here in the nape and longer in the front. You can style it curly and you can have it straight as well because it's a very good hairstyle.